What's good, everybody? In today's video, we're going to show you the difference between cutting with this Graff blade with these scores here or continuous design. So stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? In today's video, we're going to show you the difference between cutting with this Graff blade with these scores here or a continuous design. This one's obviously better.
So the Graff 4.5-inch segmented diamond blade is specifically designed for stone, marble, brick, granite, masonry, and paving cutting. It's not for wood, it's not for metal or anything else. The segments on the blade are better than if it's a continuous disc, and it's because it gives it that extra time for cooling while cutting. Therefore, it's going to last a lot longer and increase the cutting time. This blade will honestly, for do-it-your-own project, the last blade that we were using lasted me 9 years across pretty much all of my Grano projects outside and inside. This will attach to any 4-inch grinder, whether it's plugged in or whether it's cordless. Now let's see this blade in action.
Alright, so this is a brick and then this is our blade. See how smoothly it just goes in. Obviously, it's a lot easier with two hands. And I'm going to show you the other one. Alright, so now we're going to demonstrate this one here. Almost as fast, not quite as fast, but this one will die a lot sooner and dull itself a lot sooner than that one.
And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.